So today we'll be setting up a Facebook, Instagram ad campaign for a nail salon from scratch. So creating the content as well as setting up the ad campaign. If you need this done for your nail salon, go ahead and message me on Instagram at iGrowSalons. So we're in Canva right now, and the first thing we're going to do is create the creative. So we're going to take an existing piece of content from the nail salon or nail tech, and we're going to use the Instagram portrait. What is this called? Size or dimensions. Then we're going to upload files, downloads, and it's this one. And all we're doing is taking existing content of like her work, like when it's done, then we're just going to layer graphics or words on top. And typically what we do is just call out the offer. So I don't really know what the offer is, so we're just going to make it up. Text. Then I use this, it's called League Spartan, but here where it says cold, smooth, tasty, click on that. Then this little bottom part says Angelo Brewing, I guess. We're going to delete that. So this is going to say, let's see, $99 nail full set special. I don't know that much about nails. Hopefully this is the correct terminology, but this is just an example, so it's fine. So whatever your offer is, you're going to put that. I like to put the price in the ad, so before they even click on it, they know what they're getting themselves into. So here where it says alignment, we're going to click on this and want to center this. Then the color is going to be white. Then effects. Then outline. Then we're going to change this to black. Then we're going to make this a little bit thicker so it can like kind of pop a little bit. Then shrink this. Then drag this to the top. Then we're going to click this button right here that says duplicate, and then drag that to the bottom. Book now in Santa. Let me see. In Santa Clarita. So we're gonna make this a little bit smaller. Let's go with a 72. Yeah, that's fine. So we're calling out our offer, then the location. Tap the book now button. Then let's see, we're gonna make this a 72. And put that right there, then hit play. Okay, boom, so that's good. Then we're gonna download this. Download. Okay, while that loads, we're gonna head over to the Facebook Ads Manager. Where are we at? Here. So now we're inside. If you don't know how to get here, just go to Google and put Facebook Ads Manager. Then you click on this one. Then you're going to click on go to Ads Manager. Hopefully your ad account will be set up. Then you'll see your name. Then you click on your name. That's it. Again, if you want us to do this for you, DM me on Instagram at iGrowSalons. If you're learning anything from this video so far, please give me a thumbs up. Subscribe also. Now we're going to hit this green create button. So here's the thing. If you have a booking site that allows for a pixel, so let's see, docs.google. Hopefully I'm signed in. Probably not. Let's come here. Docs blank. So booking site that allows for a pixel. And what the pixel is essentially like a memory card for your website that kind of saves what people do on your site. That way, when you do go out and launch your ads, Facebook has a good idea of essentially who to get your ads in front of based on your pixel. So if you have a booking site that allows for a pixel, your ad objective is going to be leads or sales, depending on how your conversion event is set up. I'm going to show you this inside of the ad account, but I just want to be clear on this. If no pixel, you would do engagement ads. Then you will set up message ads. And I'll be showing you this, so don't worry about that. Just keep this part in mind. Now, let's go back to the ads manager. So, I'll show you both. So sales are actually leads. Say we have our pixel installed. So this account has a pixel. So we're going to hit continue, then manual leads campaign, continue. Then we're going to leave all of this as is. Nail, bookings. And I typically like to put the date. So what's the day? 6/19. So conversion location is going to be your website. Again, this is if you have your pixel set up. Then see we have our pixel set up. Then our conversion event. This is basically what we're telling Facebook we want. We want scheduled appointments. Now keep in mind, you're going to have to do a little bit of homework on this part. This is a little bit technical. So we set this up to, let me see. I'll just show you really quick. So I am getting sidetracked, but I think this part is important. So that's why I'm going this far. Now, this is not a nail website, but same concept. Let me find the URL. So essentially, when someone clicks on this ad, this is the landing page that they see where we're telling them our offer. Then tap here to book a consultation. So they book a consult. Information. So as soon as this person books a consult, or they insert their information, so they become a lead. So if we go back, this one. So if you notice, under conversion events, we have leads. So that's the first step, but we want them to become like, we want the last event, which is a scheduled appointment. So once they become a lead, they hit this button. Now Facebook has recorded this person as a lead. The next step in this funnel process is this calendar. So when someone lands on this calendar, they are technically exit out of this. They are technically a submitted application. So they have submitted that lead form. So now they're triggering Facebook as a submitted application. But once they select the time, then please ignore test. Hit confirm, schedule meeting. And they have to land on this next page in order to trigger a scheduled appointment. So this is a 3-step process. Now they're considered a schedule. So we're telling Facebook, hey, find us people that are likely to schedule, meaning they have filled out that lead form. They have looked at our calendar. Now they have made it to that 3rd page. That's who we want you to show our ads to. So this is why it's important to have a pixel set up, because if you don't, your alternative is running message ads where they can send a message, but the people that send messages are not always most qualified. These people are most qualified because they have went through a process. So that's that part. Then you're going to do anywhere between a $5 to $10 per day budget. Then you're going to select your location. So it's Santa Clarita, California. Then if you know people travel, like this says 25 miles. If you know those people travel that far, then put 25 miles. If not, you can just drag this down to like 10 or 11. And it's still giving you a nice audience size of 262,000 people or so to show your ads to, so that's fine. Then you're going to go with Advantage Audience Plus. So this audience is already selected for you. This is basically Facebook doing their thing and kind of trying to figure out your audience for you. So I'm just going to change the name to that. Then scroll. Then placements is going to be Advantage Placements, where your ads show on all of Facebook's placements. So leave that as is. So creative source is going to be manual upload. Format is going to be single image or video. You can leave this on. Then you would put, if you have a booking site, you put your website URL here. Then add media. And remember, we did a video. So upload, then it went to our downloads, and I believe it's this one. So hit next, done. Okay, so let me see. So for our headline, that should show here. We're going to put our same offer. What is this? $99 full set book now. Now you do have the option to add a caption or your caption or your ad copy. So that's what shows either above or below your ad. I'm going to show you how to use ChatGPT to get the caption or copy. So let's change our call to action button to book now. So this ad is pretty much done. Well, actually your website URL will go here. This ad is done. Last thing we need to add is the primary text. So we're going to go over to ChatGPT. Hey, I need some ad copy for my Facebook ad promoting my nail business. If I tell you about my offer, could you help me craft some? So you literally could just put that. So I'm offering $99 full set in Santa Clarita, and it's only for the next 5 people that sign that book. So we're doing the next 5 people. That's just like marketing and sales stuff, just to introduce a little bit of scarcity to this. So limited time offer, stunning, full set, 99, 10 Santa Clarita. Why you love this offer? Higher quality, trending. So what you will do is, this is like a good base or outline. Just tweak whatever you need to tweak to fit your branding or the language of your branding or voice. Only next 5 people, don't miss out. Location. Okay, so we'll grab this. Copy. Then that'll go here in your primary text. Then we're going to remove this. And your last line should be tap the book now button. Okay, so that's done. We good to hit publish. So you hit publish, boom, your ad set. So this is how you would do this if you were running if you have your pixel and you're doing the lead option. So the other option, I'm going to show you both methods for those of you who are just going to run it to your DM. Create. Then you're going to do engagement, continue, manual engagement, continue. Then leave all of this as is. Then your Instagram page will show here, and your Facebook page will show here. So if they respond to the ad, it'll open up a conversation in Messenger or in your DM. So leave this as is. Then again, $5 to $10 per day budget. If I'm ignoring it, you ignore it. Santa Clarita, 10-mile radius. Again, leave all of this as is. Then single image or video, leave this on. Add media, add video. We already have our video in here. Next, done. Primary text, paste the same text we used before. Remember to put your call to action at the bottom. And erase that. Then your headline will be $99 full set book now. Then your call to action is going to be send message. Actually, let's change this. Message us to book. So then here, message template, start a conversation. This is what you're going to go with. Then you're going to hit edit. Then you're going to edit this as you would like the conversation to go. So if you want to just keep it super simple, say leave, I'm interested. Can you tell me more? Or can I learn more about your, not background, but current specials. So either you can put an automated answer, or you can just, once they send this message in, you can reply how you like to reply. Then save, then hit publish, then you're good to go. So that's essentially how you set that up. If you found this video helpful, useful, give me a thumbs up, subscribe. Again, if you want me to do this for you, go ahead and message us on Instagram at Salons. Thanks for watching.